Buckingham ADX. I thought I'd give you the lowdown on what's behind the scenes at Matino, especially in our manufacturing department. I love it down here, it's beautiful. This is where the magic happens. From when you place your order, this is where our dedicated manufacturing team produce our beautiful Matino products. Whether it be aluminium doors, aluminium cavity sliding, or aluminium frames, our team has got the know-how, the planning, and the equipment to execute. If you look over here, I mean, our team is on lunch at the moment. We do let them have a breather occasionally. We have a full schedule. We are manufacturing around the clock every single day. Now, to keep everyone filled up by the looks of it, we've got some energy drinks and some booze, but hey, whatever gets the job done. And that's our motto. At ADX, we do whatever it takes to get the job done. Producing these Matino products, not only do we enjoy making your projects look special, but you can be rest assured that it's made here locally, with local labour, local content. If you have a look down here, we're in a warehouse full and chock-a-block of aluminium. So it doesn't matter how complex or bespoke your product is that you are specifying for us to make, we have the capacity, the materials, and the know-how to execute. You can see here we have an example of powder-coated black, but we can do mill finish, factory finish, basically all the colours of the rainbow. Now the guys are on lunch at the moment, so perhaps next time we'll show you actual manufacturing, but I thought I'd just give that a little sneak peek. So for now, I'm going to leave you with it, but remember, for your best outcome on your project, be sure to specify Matino. Alright guys, see you later. Oh, the door's over here. See you later.